Hey guys, I'm Zainab Ahmed and welcome to WordPress Development Course Lesson 2. In last video, we discussed about many things that is needed for the beginners to develop a WordPress website. Now we will go further. So here you can see the front page of your website you imported in the last video. We saw the demo pages, the demo content we imported from the theme, and here you can see this looks very cool for me. We got many pages just like this about page, and this looks very good for me. Here it goes the over mission and everything is set at its own place and it looks very good. Here is the some context, you can edit each and every text, everything here. We can visit the services page also. You can see how it looks like. Okay, now by clicking this logo we can go back to our website main page. Here we go. Now the next step we will do is to customize this logo. So for that we just have to click this customize option on your WordPress option front page. Here you can see many options to customize your theme. To customize this logo we have to go to the header menu, just click on it and go for entity. Okay, then we don't have any logo, we will write the text here and the tagline here, so you can edit it as you can see. So first we have to go to the header transparent. Okay, here you can see this is the logo is uploaded here. I removed it. You can see it will also remove from here. Okay, I will remove it from here also. It is removed already. Then we go to site title, click on edit. As you can see, this option site title color is white, and here is the hover option. If you click on it you can change the hover color, and I don't want to insert any color, I will left it as it is. Okay, just go back and go to site primary, display site title. As you can see, after clicking this option the site title is shown on the website. Okay, so I can, this is the name I write on the first lesson video when I started installing the WordPress. You can edit it from here as you can see. I can change this as photographic as I wanted to, or I can change the tagline too. If you don't have tagline, just remove it, or if you have any, just, or you want to display, just click on this option to display site tagline. Okay, we have displayed the site tagline. Oh, next thing we are going to do is the typography. If you want to change the size of the tagline, you can do it from here. Just for example, I write the 20 pixels. You can see the size that it has increased. So I must left him as the 15 as it was before. It's good like that. Okay, you can change it here. You can see different options. Okay, so if you have any logo of your business or for website, you can upload it from here. You can select, and this is the media library you will show. You will see on your screen as this. You can select any logo from here after uploading it. If you have to upload the logo, just click on the uploaded file and select it from your desktop. Then you will upload. After uploading you will see it here, and then you can select it and you will upload it your logo here. Or if you don't have any logo, you can write the text of your website here and change its size from here, from the typography. Okay, and just go back and go to transparent header. As you can see, this whole menu is transparent for backside. You can see the responsiveness from here. You can see this is the desktop icon, this is the tablet icon, and option, and just explore others. Okay, so here we have some options of color and background for the menu. So click on the background. If you want to change the color of the background, you can do it from here. As you can see, I've selected the black, and this looks a little bit good, but I will remain it as it was before. So it was good before. Okay, so here you can see the site title as, okay, you can change the color of the site title. You can see if this is the blue and the purple and the pink and green, you can do it here. Is for the hover option is selected. Okay, as I hover the text, it will show the hover color you selected on the option. Okay, so I don't want any hover option. I will make it clear, and I go to the option normal. The site color, it gives me the option to change the color of the site. I selected the red and it becomes red. I selected the blue, as you can see the difference, but I will make it white as before. Okay, now the other option we saw here is the menu. Here the options for the menu is for these menu icons. As you can see, the pages about services are of white color, but when we hover on it, it turns pink. Okay, so let's see where it comes from. The color of the icon is white, as it is selected on the link text color, and when we go to hover option, we can see that pink, which comes when we select any button. Okay, just we'll go further. The sub menu is when you have the drop down. Suppose if there is a service and we make a menu which have a drop down under the services like development, like graphic designing, like photography, then it will be the sub menu of the services, and this option is to edit the sub menu icons. Okay, and this is for the content. This is the text color, and like we can change the color. So here is the basic settings you want to do for the navigation menu you have here, and after changing you will publish it. And next step is to edit your website and make it like as you want it. So I will go to the dashboard and select the visit website. And you will see the option edit with Elementor. If your website have another page builder, then it will be like WP Bakery or any other, it will appear here. In this theme we have the Elementor builder, so we will edit this theme with Elementor. So just like edit with Elementor. Okay, this is the main page title you see. You can edit it by clicking on it. You can edit the color, the font, the display option, the fonts, and the size, and everything you can change. So here I can see a wonderful gift is written, so just click on it and you will see the settings here. So I will change it if I want to. So I will change it like development. You can see the option here. Want to link this text to any link, you can type. Suppose I have to link this development text to the Google site. I will write the link here, www.google.com here. Then after updating this, I will be able to go to Google page after clicking this development text. So this is the one option if you can, or if you have to do the link the text. Okay, so here you can see one option which is size, and this is default. If you want to make it small, just do anything you want, or if you are here to just practice, just do anything you see here. So first, okay, as you can see, I have make it extra large, but it looks not good, so make it default. It look much better then. Okay, so I can, next is HTML tag, as this is the basic information we learn in the beginning when we start learning the development. So H tag, H1 is the biggest one, H3 is the smaller, and H6 is the smallest one. So here is the div and span and paragraph tag. If you want to customize is by yourself. So I will make it H1. Oh, here is the alignment. If you make it align left, just select here. This is the align center, this is the align light, and this is the justified. You can see the difference also. So this is the middle option. So if you want to change the color and the font, you can see here the style option here. I will click on it, and here you go, you will see the text color. The white color is selected. What if I select the blue? It turns blue. What if I select the gray? It turns gray. But I don't want it, I will leave it as white out. Okay, so let's try the typography. So click, I have the font family here, just select, and you will see some of your fonts here. These are the basic you got with your theme. You can see this development, and you can change any of your font here. I will go for the default, and here you can see the custom size here. If you are not satisfied with the H1, H2, H6 tag, you can edit your size from here. You can make it as large as you can. Okay, next is the weight, next is the transform, style, decoration, line height, and line spacing. You see many options to decorate or make some fun of your development text. Anything can you want is here. So here's the text shadow. If you want your text have a shadow, you can just click on it and change the settings and make the text shadow. So here you can see many widgets here. If you are practicing the WordPress development, you can use any of this widget. Feel free to select any of this. Just create a new page and select it and drag and drop here and edit it. Look what it looks like, and look each option you saw in that every widget. Okay, some features you have are locked because it's for the premium version of the Elementor, and these functions, these widgets are free for us. So here, after that, we can change this tagline. This is the title, and as I told you before that you can link it also. Just copy the link and paste here. if you want to link the text here, and you can change the size, and you can give it a HTML tag, anything you want to do. So here's the button. This is the default type. Info success warning, this is the type and design of the buttons given by the theme. Okay, the text you have and you need in to show your button, and you can edit it here. As if I want to edit the text, I will write here learn now, or just make it click here. You can write anything as long as you need, but if you write short text on the button, it looks great, as you can see here. As I can write here www.google.com here for the link, or I don't want to make it linked with anything, so I will make it the hashtag. Okay, here goes the alignment. It's left, center, and right. Try everything you look here, try every option you see in every drop down or anything. Okay, icon, here is the icon option. If you want here or here to be any icon, then select it, upload SVG, upload your any media image, or upload from the media library the theme already have. Okay, this is the icon spaces. If you have icon here, then and if you increase this, you can see it makes a lot space for icon, but I don't have any icon, so I don't have the icon. I don't need an icon space either. Okay, so here's the basic options for the button. So next down, this is, so if you want to know what is this, just click here and you will get the name of the widget here, edit text editor. This is the text editor you will see, and this is the image. Okay, as you can see the widget name here, this is the image. You can edit it by clicking the image. Okay, by clicking it, it takes me to the media library, and as you can see this box office dictation marks are already selected. Okay, if you want to change the size, you have many options in the image size here. Alignment again, the caption, no, we don't have to make it, give it a caption, or link. If you want to make it link with something, you can link it here, but I don't think this might have some link. Okay, this is the section you have. You can make it any, you can make any section if you want. If you don't want this section here, you can just simply cross it and it will disappear. And if you accidentally mark it as cancel, so just go to the history and it will come back to its place. Okay, so next we have the upcoming events. Here you can see it's the image, and below it it's a text. Actually, this is the whole image box, which contains an image and the text, and up here you can see the button also, as we have discussed above. Okay, now here is the image, background image. This section have the background image, and to insert the background image, we just have to select this option, go to advanced, move to style, and here you can see the image you are seeing here, and it is a parallax. Okay, this is another section, is an upcoming tours and destinations. You can see the machinery, uh, pictures here. You can edit it, you can remove it, or you can do anything you need. Okay. Okay, this is the basic information about the how you can edit your front page with Elementor. So just by clicking the update, your all changes will be saved. So we got our pages saved. So just if you make a if you want to preview what changes you have done, just click on the preview changes and it goes to a page. So this is the basic idea to how you will edit your page with the Elementor. Okay, by coming back to our Elementor page, we can see what about if we have to change this background picture. Click on this edit section and you got the options to edit this whole section. I usually download pictures from a website called named pixels.com, P-E-X-E-L-S, pixels.com, and you got the HD pictures you need here, and you just got to select, and don't just download it, just go to settings, just click on this arrow and select your needed size, because if you download this picture or more sized picture, your site will load late and it will make your website so heavy and it will be much slower than before. So this is the standard size of the screen. We just click on the large. It's 1920 by 1280 pixels. So just select it and download it free. So here we go. Just go to the page back. Go to styles, and here you can see the picture. You can see it here as well. So just select it or make it delete. You have seen this. Okay, just drag and drop here, or you can just go to upload files, select files, and it will make you to go to your downloaded pages. So here you can see the downloaded. Here is the picture I downloaded. Okay, so I got the downloaded image, select it and insert the media. Okay, now here you go. Here you can see the picture I downloaded and uploaded and then selected to the background. Okay, after this, here are some options. This attachment means it's fixed. If you scroll down, the image is fixed, but the website will scroll down, and if you make it scroll, it will scroll as with your website, as you can see this. So the fix is this looks good. Okay, now here is another option, which is background overlay. The overlay you can see on the image is kind of black, so here is the black color, and if we make it blue, you can see the difference. I think it was like this. Okay, now here you can see the opacity of the overlay, and it can be so darker and it can be so lighter, but the text will be no more visible good. Okay, so I can make it a middle. Okay, it's kind of good. So if you want to take a look preview, you can just click on it and you will have a preview of your desktop. So I think this flower background looks not good for the development, but it's your own choice, you can do everything. Okay, so here I want to add comes the event option. What if I delete this? Okay, just delete that section. I don't like that section. Okay, just what it's upcoming section, and this as we saw it before, this is the image box which contains an image and the text also. If you want to change the place of the text, you just drag it, click it, drag it and drop it wherever you want to. Okay, I want to drag the text above the image for this section, and I want to put the text under this image, so I will do that. Okay, you can do this drag and drop with the button also. So here you go, you can do this also, but this not looks good. Okay, so if one more thing you can do it, you can just click right and copy this section, any element here, or you can just select another section and just paste. You will see you have copied another section and widget from another section, and copy and paste it to another section. You can do this as well, the copy pasting thing. Okay, if you want to delete it, just right click it and here you go, just delete that. Okay, we have deleted this, and here you go. Okay, if you want one more important thing, I want to tell you guys that when you use any kind of theme for your website, just make sure that you are putting your images of the exact size of as you saw the theme. Okay, if suppose I have to change this picture here, so first I should go to the image gallery and see what size of this image is. This is 644 by 402 pixels, and I will make my picture of this dimension, and then I will put it on this, because by this action your site responsiveness will be good. Here you have the heading, and if you want to change its background color, just go to this section, because this section is contained this whole area. Okay, so if you want to change its section color, go to the style, and here you can see the background option. This is the normal type and this is the hover type. This means the normal type. Okay, the background type will be the class. I'm going to make a background color of it. It's gray. Make it light gray, and I will go for this to look a bit different from the other sections. And the style and the color, and make it clear. By clicking the clear option, the background color will go on. Okay, now another section you have here. This is the column. You can see this is the one column and another column, there are halved. Okay, another one is upcoming tours. So here is the section you can see. So let's try another widget from here. Let's put the video and this track and drop it in this section. As you can see, there's already built-in YouTube video. You can see here. You can just put the start time. Suppose it's 70 seconds, and the video, after you click on it, will start after the second 70 seconds. And if you want the end time, just leave it empty. Okay, so let's see how it looks like. So here is the video. Just click on it and then hit play. If you don't want this video, you can apply it from the Google also. So just go to youtube.com you want to insert your picture from the YouTube, or just go to youtube.com and go for any piano music video or any video you want. So I will go for this video. Let's check it out. This video looks cool. Just select the link and close the tab. We don't need it anymore, and just copy all and paste it, and you will see the video here also. So here you got the video. See how it looks like, but it's much closer to explore the world. So I will put some heading right here. So just go to advanced and unlink this button, so it will unlink all the top, right, bottom, left buttons. If you don't unlink it, and if you edit one of them, it will edit all of the options. If you have to edit only one side, you just have to unclick it and click it 0 and just click it. I want the padding right here on the right side of the, so let's try just 50 pixels. Okay, yeah, it looks much better. Okay, so it's good. And if you don't want the padding anymore, just click it and remove it, make it 0. And as what if let's say we don't want this column here and we want this video bigger, like this screen before, and then just select it, right click it and delete it. So here you can see your video is bigger than before and it looks much good then. Okay, let's see how it plays. So here you got the video, but it looks a lot bigger. So just go to the section, and after selecting it, go to layout, and you can see the options. You can adjust the widget and make it maybe 900 will be okay for that. So let's see how it looks like. It looks much better than before. So okay, you have changed your mind and I don't need this anymore. I just make it Control Z if you have the Windows laptop, and here you can see after Control Z you have your section tag, and I'm gonna delete this section, delete this column, and you got all the text, and just click on the text and make it align center, make it this align center 2, make this align center 2, make it center, like go to text and make it align center, and you just, it's a good button, it should be in center, and it the text don't look good when it's a long way to left to right. Just go to the section to adjust the width of the column. So what if I make it 800, 900, and it's bigger than the text, so maybe the 800. So yes, it's good now. So what if I want the video in that same video in the background? Go to the video and paste that link here. So here you go. You got the video beautifully seen at the background. So if you change the start time, you can make you can write the start time here. I will go for the 20, and if you don't want it, just keep it empty. So here a lot more options for the video, if you want to play once, or you want to play on video or not, or if you want any overlay option here, you can select that option also here. It has the overlay. I think about if I would just clear it, how will the video looks like then? I think it will look more clear, but the text don't looks clear, so there must be a overlay. Okay, and after that you can see a beautiful video is playing behind the text. So I changed the link of the video so that I can see what if I change another video and want to see how it looks like. So I changed the link. You can change it by your mind and your mood and what type of website are you developing. Okay, if you don't want your video here, just click to the classic and you will get your image back. Okay, and I want the video here, so I will select the video and update it and see how your pages look like now. Just wait to update it. So it's updated. Now let's have a look on your page. Just go to the website and click on the logo to see how your website looks like now. So it looks a lot like nature. We have inserted many pictures and videos of nature in this website. Okay, now after this section, let's go to the next, and this section looks cool, so let's create a new one. Like, just click on this, select your structure. You can add any column, you can select this section of 2 columns, 3 columns. 3 columns will look like this. This is the one column, and the other column is having 2 sections, and this is the third column. It's the 2 columns look 3 columns look like, and the 2 columns is like the YouTube channel, where you have a video in one side and other side the related videos you have. Just go for the single section here, and just now go to the widget and let's have a heading here. Okay, now I'm going to add a text of WordPress. As you can see, I have written the text in the smaller letters, and it is in the capital one. You can edit this option as well, but you don't have to do it. Okay, now make it in the center, and I will go for the H1 tag. Go to styles. The color is good right now. Go to typography, and I will change it font. My personal favorite is Roboto and Open Sans, and just Charlato. Okay, just go to Lotto and make what if I make it looks good, but not for the heading, and I will go with the 500 what if, and with the 700 it's good, and you can change the size as well. So 90 will be good. The line height and the decoration and the style and transform, and this okay. After that, go again to the widget section, edit text editor. I will select now learning WordPress right now. Just go to styles and align center, and you can just go to typography and go to size. You can select the size as well. Okay, the 29 is correct, and if you want to change the color, you just have to select color and go to, you can select any of the color. This is the light gray type color. Okay, this is the column, column 10, and we have the centered item. Now here we want our button, so I will just make it duplicate. If you want to make a duplicate, you can, but if you want to copy and paste it here, you can do it as well. So I have duplicated it, and just click on the pencil button and drag under the text editor, paste it. Also make it align center. Just change the text like contact us, and if you want to make it contact link. The link is loading right now. It will redirect you the contact page. It has the localhost link website. So it's small, you can change the size as well, small, medium, large, and etc. It's small is good. So let's, okay, if you want, now we can, if you want to change the background, so just select the entire section, go to styles, select the classic. Here you can change the image, and for that we will again go to the pixels.com and select any of the picture, any type of picture we want to. So I will select this option here, select it, and first select the size. It's medium and small. We will go for this medium, and download. Download soon, as you can see. Go to uploaded files, select files, put it download. Here you get the pictures, just select it and open. It will wait for uploading. Here you got the picture, instant media. It looks bit good, but let's make it size cover, and the size cover is mostly the option we used. So let's change the color of the text because it's not readable anymore. Just select it, and in here you got the options to select the, I will make it white, and do this as well for the text also. Here you have the text color, and I want to change the color of the button also. So I will go to the button settings and style. Just go to style, go to background color, and select any color you want to. I select the blue, the dark blue. It's okay to have this blue. Okay, I will go for this, and now we have to give some padding the above and the downside. Okay, just go to the entire section, go to advanced, and here we have the option of padding. So this, unlink this button so that we can change the padding of top, right, bottom, left individually. I will go for the 160 at the top and 160 at the bottom, and it looks much prettier than before. And you can see this section is looking too attractive just by doing nothing. Okay, if just let's check what we have done and update it and go to preview our site now. There you go. You got the video as well. It was not loading before. Now we got it. So here you can see the section here. It's look good. Now check the button is working or not. So yes, it's working. It leads us to the contact page. As you can see, this is the contact page. You have very simple and very clear contact page. Make your website very clear and perfect. Don't be so rush and don't be so colorful while having, if you want to have a beautiful and simple and decent website. So I think it's good to have this video for you guys. So I think it's good for now. We will discuss more about the customization of the websites in next video. This, if you like this lecture and if you want to give any suggestion from me, subscribe and like my video and share also. So thank you so much.